Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to move C drive application to another drive on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before we start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to move the C drive applications to another drive, then I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Click on Apps, click on Apps and Features. Here you need to find the application to which you have to move. Suppose if you want to move this, just you need to click on this three dot, then click on Move. You need to select your drive. By default, it will be installed in C drive. If you want to change it, select your drive where you want to move, then click on Move, and the application will be moved to F drive. Guys, you have to remember the application you have installed from Microsoft Store, only that applications will be moved to another drive. That's it guys. So in this way you can move C drive applications to another drive. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.